Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I roast my potatoes with vegetables. I have here my potato, one big onion, two carrots, and almost a full zucchini. And I also have rosemary, I have olive oil, I have black pepper, white pepper, and garlic powder. I also have my vegetable season and my salt. I will start by cutting my potatoes. And I'll also cut my zucchini. And I'll also cut my carrots. This is my potato and my veggies after I've cut everything. So I'll mix it well, everything together. And this is how it looks like. So I'll set this one aside and then I'll take my olive oil. I'll add my vegetable season. I'll also add my black pepper and my white pepper. And lastly, I'm using garlic powder. And I'll mix everything together. Now I'll add or season my potato and veggies with a little bit of salt because I already have in here vegetable season. So I'll just mix everything together so that the salt will be on every side. And now I can also add my olive oil and my season with black pepper, white pepper, and garlic powder, everything in. And then I will mix it. I'll now transfer everything into my baking bowl, then keep it all nicely. It's now time for my rosemary to come in, so I'll just put them on each side and it's ready to go into the oven. And this, you have to give it time. It takes at least 1 hour to get roasted and we'll see the end results. My oven is now heated, so I'll just put inside and then bake it for an hour. So it's been an hour and this is my potato and vegetable that I roasted in the oven. It looks very yummy and we are going to enjoy it now. I hope you try this and give me feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I hope you subscribe and then tune in for more recipes. Thanks for watching.